Could hormones add to the bucket? I get this question a lot, like I'm approaching menopause, or I think I'm in premenopause and my hormones are going crazy. Is this what's causing the hives? Again, the hormone symptoms that you're getting is a consequence of all of those three factors. It's a consequence of there being too many toxins, too much stress, and improper food coming into the body, which means that your body is not getting what it requires to create hormone balance. So I love to tell my menopausal, premenopausal women, when we are approaching menopause, our hormone production or sex hormone production switches from the ovaries to our adrenals. And if I ask you, what are our adrenals responsible for? They're responsible for our stress hormone production. So the cortisol, the adrenaline. So imagine this, your body in menopause age needs to be able to produce sex hormones and stress hormones. But when faced with a choice, it's going to produce the stress hormones first. So if you think you're running from a bear, or you have stress at work, in your relationship, in any part of your life, it's going to be producing cortisol instead of your sex hormones. And this is where the hormone imbalances start to come from. Secondly, toxins, the endotoxins that I was talking about, the more imbalanced your gut is, we clear a lot of waste through our guts, including hormonal waste. And one of the things is when we produce estrogen and we metabolize estrogen, it causes metabolic hormonal waste. And that waste, if it doesn't get cleared by the liver because it's so overburdened, it's going to get repackaged up and recirculated. So you're getting circulating dirty hormones causing issues, and those can definitely cause imbalances in the immune system. There's a very strong connection between histamine and estrogen dominance, so that is definitely a factor.